Confucius. Our greatest glory is not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Real knowledge is to know the extent of one's ignorance. It does not matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop. He who learns but does not think is lost. He who thinks but does not learn is in great danger. Ignorance is the night of the mind, but a night without moon and star. Laozi. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. The wise man is one who knows what he does not know. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. Silence is a source of great strength. Mastering others is strength. Mastering yourself is true power. Zhuangzi. Happiness is the absence of striving for happiness. When joy and sorrow are felt as one, only then is your true nature revealed. The fish trap exists because of the fish. Once you've gotten the fish, you can forget the trap. The rabbit snare exists because of the rabbit. Once you've gotten the rabbit, you can forget the snare. Words exist because of meaning. Once you've gotten the meaning, you can forget the word. Do not be an embodier of fame. Do not be a storehouse of schemes. Do not be an undertaker of projects. Do not be a proprietor of wisdom. Embody to the fullest what has no end and wander where there is no trail. Mencius. The great man is he who does not lose his child's heart. Friendship is one mind in two bodies. He who moves not forward goes backward. The people are the most important element in a nation. The spirits of the land and grain are the next. The sovereign is the lightest. Laozi. A heart without doubts is a heart without understanding. When you see what is right, have courage to do it. Confucius. The ignorant are fond of belittling the worthy. To guide the people, walk behind them. Zhuangzi. The nature of man is evil. His goodness is only acquired training. He who is able to conquer others is powerful, but he who is able to conquer himself is mighty. Sun Tzu. All warfare is based on deception. Opportunities multiply as they are seized. Confucius. Those who dream of drinking wine may weep when morning comes. Those who dream of weeping may in the morning go off to hunt. While they are dreaming, they do not know it's a dream. In the dream, they may even try to interpret a dream. Only after waking do they know it was a dream. And someday there will be a great awakening when we know that this is all a great dream. Laozi. When one is not attached to anything, then he has freedom. To the mind that is still, the whole universe surrenders. Huangdi, Yellow Emperor. To govern is to correct. If you set an example by being correct, who would dare remain incorrect?